So here's a walk around video of the truck, shooting this on my iPhone with a gimbal, so hopefully it's smooth. Anyway, we can do just a brief walk around of the exterior, and then I'll get up close and point out any of the flaws and imperfections, but it is a pretty slick looking truck. No question about that. So there's a full 360. Moving a little bit closer, can point out a couple cosmetic flaws. Hopefully, yeah, they appear to be catching on camera. There's a little bit of clear coat failure or fade that was touched up here. Moving down here, this is all pretty good. All pretty good here. Let's scan. This side of the bed is all good. This portion of the doors and all of that are good. There's some weird, I don't know what you would call that, cracking of the paint right here. Small, insignificant. All of this is good. There was one portion of clear coat that was touched up right here on the hood. You can kind of see that there. Moving on to the front, it's all in good condition. A little bit of corrosion starting here and here. A couple scuffs on the plastic, but the headlights are good. The grill is good, and whatnot. Oh, forgot to show something over here. There's that little crease in the hood. That's on both sides. Then there was a little bit of clear failure there that was touched up on this front fender. A little imperfection down there. Otherwise, very good. All of this is good. The bed is in really good shape over on this side. There's one ding. Oh, where is it? I want to capture it in the light the right way. I think it's this guy right here. Little ding. Little scratch right here. A couple little scratches here. And unfortunately, this is the only part that has begun to rust from rocks getting kicked up right here. I think the paint had broken loose and it began rusting there. So this is for sure the worst part of the body and the cosmetics and all of that. Moving back here, a little bit of clear coat fade and failure. A little bit of corrosion, I need to polish that out. I'm sure it'll come out. Haven't done it. And then the bed is in good shape. A little bit of trash back there. Lifting that up. The bed is good. It has a mat. And then hopefully I can zoom in. You can see a little bit of the clear coat fade up on the roof there. Paint's a little bit hard to see. I guess I could stand on the steps. There is clear coat failure here on the roof, just from it getting sunned. Could be wrapped or painted or disregarded because it's certainly higher than most people are going to stand to be able to see it. Anyway, opening the doors, checking out the interior. Got everything here. There are custom speakers under here in the seat. No tears in the upholstery. No significant stains other than this, I believe. And what else? Some dirt on the door panels that could probably be cleaned out. Same with whatever dirt is up here. No significant issues in the interior. No significant wear on the steering wheel either, which is great, just characteristic of the mileage. There is a crack under the dash here. I'll show you that in just a second. But that's all good. The cup holders are good. The glove box is good. And then I think really the only crack is right here. It's the only missing spot. There's a crack there under the dash mat, but that's why the dash mat's there. We do have an aftermarket head unit. Do I have the key? I do have the key. Can run over all the features. Actually, we could keep that off. So the fan works on all the different settings. Not too much else to show. Let me get this rear door and this. The window still works. I believe so as well on the other side. Can zoom in. Yep, it does. Oh, there's a little crack in the window. You can kind of see it there. Very small crack. And I have a set of towing mirrors for it as well. Anyway, moving up here, this is all intact. Stickers peeling slightly. No sagging on the headliner, and no serious dirt or anything like that. And we can move on to the engine bay, give you a tour, and then start it up. So here's a full view from the top of the engine bay. Not running, of course. Looking underneath, you can see that's peeling a little bit. Could take that off and not have the heat shield, but probably better that it's on there. Anyway, I'll give her a start. Idle's fine. Can give it some gas. It is warm, otherwise I wouldn't be doing that.